Alright, man. Listen. Y'all should see in the beginning progress or whatever that I got that hood messed up thing. So I cracked the panel where like the the windshield the squirter thingies go. I don't even know where it went. Oh god. Oh, here it is. Where the little windshield wiper squirty thingies. Excuse me. So your boy gotta get a new hood. Everything in the engine part is good. I gotta get these front bumpers, the front bumper clips that go on the side of the fender. I gotta get that. I finally got the inside. Oh, hold up. Let's see if it turns on. It's not gonna turn on. Yeah, this is how I gotta push this in for it to give me freaking light on it. Listen, man. It's a work in progress, but I got the back seats light. I got the back seat lights in, all that. Finally got that. Got to clean up the interior, but I got the back seats in. I finally got the trunk. I finally got the damn trunk to oh god, this thing. Anybody know how to fix this trunk lid from not opening properly? Let me know, because I definitely gotta figure that out. I don't know if it's something with this clip or something that's just like not releasing, or if it's my key that just doesn't want to take. But anyways, I got the trunk, popped in and all that stuff. So yeah, man, the progress is going. I don't know if I'm gonna have speakers in here, man. The guy that had it before had like wires all in the back, dog. And that is a mess. I really didn't want to record that because I was like, listen, I get my ass roasted because I'm not even knowing what the hell to do. Also, on Christmas Day, I went and bought some fresh new headlights from this guy. He said they were bone stock. He had them only for like 10 days. He said he just needed to pass the emissions. So he bought those and then got some aftermarket headlights. I'm trying to see what it looks like stock and then go from there. I had some aftermarkets and I really didn't like how they look. So I'm just rocking out with these. I got them for $60. The guy was trying to sell them for 30, bro, my brain. He was trying to sell them for 75. I talked him down to 60. He also gave me a second throttle body. I don't really need it. My throttle body works pretty fine. That's about it, dog. Yeah, I might have to change the air intake because that thing looks a little dirty. Yeah, man, I think that's just about it. Car's coming along. Just gotta get a new windshield, a hood, and then a paint job. And I think I'm in a good spot. Then I can take it to the main stuff and just really get the tints done, the interior to work. Recently I doubt the speakers and all that stuff work properly. Anyways, we'll figure it out. But yeah, shit, let's just fuck around and find out. See if it actually does work. I got that thought in my head. And then yo, what's the way to shut this fucking thing up, man? God damn, this thing don't fucking stop beeping. Fucking A. It should just beep out the ass. Shit. It's kind of annoying. Another thing is, I thought this would go back more. How come it didn't go back more? thought it'd go back more, but anyways, let's fucking see. I can't. I'm not gonna do that. Headlights work. Yeah, buddy. Nope. That shit don't work at all. I don't even think my traction control. My traction control don't work. But yeah, that bad boy don't fucking